In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails with Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then next is go to campaigns, then email. To start creating your email campaign, click on create email, or you can also click on the edit button beside an email campaign you already have. Next, from here in the to section, select the audience or segment you want to send the email to. This could be your entire list or a specific group of contacts. Then next is click on Edit Design to open up the email builder. So here, make sure that you add your content, images, and call to action buttons and review your email. Then click on Save and Exit. Now from here, click on the Send button to send this email immediately. Or you can also change the send time to schedule and of course choose your delivery date and delivery time that you prefer for you to be able to send it at a later time. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!